Hi, good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am, sir. I'm Manilin Moldis. I'm 48 years old. I'm married. I have two kids, uh, two girls, and the one is 21 years old, and the eldest is 27 years old. I have two brothers, and I'm the second of the family.
Okay, please tell me about your working experience.
I worked experience before in Hong Kong, and I serve. I take care the baby, children, and I will cook, cleaning, and
In the first employer, in what year?
June 2012 to 2014.
So in the first employer, how many is the member of the family?
Two adults and two children,
What are the ages of the children?
and 4 years old above.
Okay, and then the second employer,
They are four adults and two children also.
what are the ages of the children?
The same, the 10 years old above.
Can you cook a Chinese food?
Little bit, moms, right?
Okay. So in college, are you a college graduate or high school graduate?
I am in undergraduate at educational course in science.
Okay. So in Hong Kong, are you willing to take care of your newborn baby?
Yes, sir, mom. Yes, mom, sir.
Okay, what will you do if the baby is crying?
First, I will check first if diaper leak. Then I will change it. And second, I will check the temperature if it has fever. Like that.
Okay. So if the children is very naughty, you do have a big vision for them.
Yes, sir, mom.
Are you scared dogs and cats?
I also in the cat I will little scared because the dogs the
But are you willing to take care if in case the employer have a pets?
yes,
Have?
ma'am, sir.
Okay. So why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I'm going back again to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money to support my family financially.
Who will take care of your kids when you work in Hong Kong?
And my husband.
Okay. So if you work in Hong Kong again to avoid homesick, what will you do?
I will make my self busy at the work.
Are you willing to clean the car without extra pay?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Can you accept no day off but will pay by your employer?
Yes,
Do you have tattoo on your body?
no, ma'am, sir.
Do you have any allergy?
No,
Do you have any medication?
no, sir.
Okay, are you willing to work a family in which they have uh, any other cats or any a turtle or whatever pet is available?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is your last message to your future employer to hire you?
Good day, mom, sir, to my future employer. Please hire me as your helper and honest and helpful for can work. And I promise I will finish my 2 years contract and I will treat my employer as my own company.
Okay, thank you. See you in Hong Kong.